2 common training mistakes. Are you tired of making the same mistakes in your fitness routine? Do you want to get the most out of your training and see real results? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the 2 most common mistakes you're making when designing your fitness training program and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, not having a clear goal. Many people start a fitness routine without having a clear goal in mind. Whether it's to lose weight, build muscle, or improve overall health, having a clear goal will help you stay motivated and focused on your training. When doing your fitness routine, it is important to have a goal. This goal should be something you want to achieve, such as losing weight or getting stronger. Before you start your routine, think about what you want to accomplish and write it down so you can stay motivated and focused on reaching it. Once you have established a goal, it's important to create a plan to reach it. This should include how often you will do your routine and what exercises or activities you'll be doing each day. Creating a plan is not only important for helping you reach your goals, but also for staying consistent with your routine. Mistake number 2, not mixing things up. Doing the same exercises over and over again can quickly become boring and lead to plateaus in your progress. Mixing things up with different types of exercises, workouts, and routines will help you avoid boredom and see continuous progress. It is important to mix things up in your fitness program. Doing these will help you vary the intensity of your workouts and keep things interesting while seeing continuous progress. These are just a few tips for how to design a training program that will help you reach your fitness goals. By avoiding these 2 common mistakes, you can ensure that your routine is effective and tailored to your needs. Developing a plan for how often you should exercise, what type of exercises you should do, and mixing things up will help keep you motivated and on track. So if you are ready to avoid these common mistakes and get the most out of your fitness training, it's time to start setting clear goals and mixing things up. With consistency and effort, you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. Download the Ultimate Training Guide in the description below and watch the complete series of our Ultimate Training Guide where we break down each chart to help you get the most out of your training program. Remember to stay motivated, stay dedicated, and stay active. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Trax Fitness.